Okay, so today what you're going to do is we're going to set up our experiment. Now, of course, I chose to make the video at the one time we have a cloud cover. But what you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil, your stick, however you set it up, and you definitely want it to try to point fairly straight up from your surface. And then once you put it down, you can find where northeast, southwest is, and you can mark it, but I would definitely give yourself some kind of mark. Oddly enough, a pencil works pretty well, but if you have chalk, you can use that too, or you can put something down on the ground, but you're gonna mark where your object's gonna go, and you can take it back inside with you each time. But about every 30 minutes to an hour, come out, and then you're gonna see that your pencil casts a shadow. So let's say my shadow is like right here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna do two things. You're gonna trace the distance, or trace the line that your shadow has created, and then you're gonna mark the time. So if it's 1 p.m. Oh, sun's coming back out. If it's 1 p.m., then you'd mark that. So for instance, here's one. All right, so let's mark this. So right now it's about 4 p.m. when I'm making our little demonstration. So I'll mark the entire length of the shadow like that. I'll cap at the end, and then I'll write down the time, and I will measure it. So this one, there's 12 inches. And we got another 12, so it's about 25. So we're gonna need a couple of things. We'll want to know the direction that it's pointed. We'll also want to know its distance and the time. And then when I'm done, I can take my objects back in, and then I'll come back out, you know, in an hour, 30 minutes, an hour. But I'm gonna try to get to about 5 to 10 readings in a day. And that's gonna be how we're gonna conduct our experiment, and then we'll take our numbers and we'll graph them.